Hey guys, Technomentary here to do a quick review of a cheap used iPhone 8 Plus that I purchased on eBay. If you guys want to check out discounted iPhones on eBay, I'll include the link in the description if you guys want to click on there to check it out. Or if you're interested in buying an iPhone 8 Plus or any other iPhones. I did reviews for other videos. If you go on my channel here on YouTube and look for the other videos of the other iPhones that I did reviews on that I bought previously from eBay. If you guys aren't familiar with eBay, it's just like Amazon, but I found prices on eBay are generally cheaper than the ones that you find on Amazon. You just have to make sure whenever you're buying from eBay that the seller that you're buying from has a lot of good rating and also has kind of 30 or 60-day return policy, so you can return whatever you buy if you don't like it, or if you have issues with it. So they'll give your money back. So here we go. Let's go kind of open this up and see what we have here. So I already opened up um kind of the packaging. It came in this yellow packaging. If you go right in there, we'll see it's the kind of iPhone 8 64 gig in silver color. There's kind of the packaging slip. It came in this generic box here, which usually most used iPhones come in. And of course, it's not the original iPhone box, but it is, a used phone. So we'll go ahead and kind of take a look at this. So as you can see, when you open up the packaging, it has a generic charger in there, and then the phone itself come in this packaging. You can see they put in kind of their own wrapper around it, and then if we look around the condition overall, as you can see for this used iPhone, it's in pretty good condition. No real kind of noticeable issue with it or damage with it. So we'll go ahead and kind of take this packaging off. Take that off from it, and if you look at it, it's a pretty good condition phone, as you can see, for a used phone. We'll go ahead and power it on right now. So click on the power button, and then we'll kind of set it up to see that everything's good with it. This is the iPhone 8 Plus in the silver edition, with the kind of the glass back in the front. So if you go look at it, we'll kind of go ahead and set it up here. So it's to the setup screen, go through the basic setup quickly. So here you go. I'm gonna connect it to one of the Wi-Fi's here. So give me a second while I set this up. So just go and put in the Wi-Fi password here, and hopefully that should kind of get us going. So it says it will take a few minutes to activate, but shouldn't really take a few minutes, maybe a couple seconds or so. But overall, I think if you look at the condition, it's in pretty good condition for an iPhone 8, for a used phone at least. So here it asks to set up the Touch ID. Obviously, we'll just skip that now. Passcode, we'll just skip that as well. We'll just say don't use passcode, since I just want to quickly show you guys that it is a real iPhone. Set up later, don't use, agree to the terms, continue. Don't want anything right now, just trying to get to, we'll set that up later. Alrighty, so here we are, right to the home screen. No issues with the phone. As you can see, it's in pretty good condition here. Got to the home screen, there's no iCloud or anything, and it is a pretty good condition phone. If you check out, usually I like to check out the camera. Looks like the camera is fine here. And then the ringers, usually a vibration that works, the power button, and then the home button. So everything seems to work with the quick test that I did. So if you guys are interested in checking out kind of the phone on eBay, make sure that whenever you're buying phones, that the seller has sold a lot of the phones already, and they have a lot of good ratings, and also they provide your 30 or 60-day money back guarantee so that you can return it if you need to. So I'll leave the link, like I said, to the discounted phone that you can find on eBay if you guys want to check out buying a iPhone 8 Plus, or even one of the newer phones for kind of discounted rate. You can probably find it on eBay. So if you guys like this video and thought it was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future kind of reviews of iPhones in the future that I'll be doing. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.